Are you looking for the best mini PCs? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best mini PCs on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Geekom A9 Max AI Mini PC. The Geekom A9 Max is a compact, high-performance mini PC powered by AMD's new Ryzen AI9 HX 370 processor. It's designed for users who want strong performance in a small form factor, with a focus on AI features, multitasking, and light gaming. The Ryzen AI9 HX 370 is a very capable chip, featuring 12 cores and AMD's latest AI engine. It handles everyday computing, multitasking, and even some demanding workloads like light video editing or coding without issue. The built-in Radeon 890M graphics are solid for casual gaming and GPU-accelerated tasks, like Photoshop, DaVinci Resolve, or Blender with modest projects. However, it's not a gaming machine for high-end AAA titles. Expect medium settings at 1080p in most modern games. Overall performance: fast, smooth, and great for office, content creation, and moderate gaming. You get 32GB DDR5 RAM and a 2TB NVMe SSD, which is more than enough for most users. Everything loads quickly, and there's plenty of space for files, games, or creative projects. You can upgrade the RAM or SSD if needed, but it requires opening the case. The Geekom A9 Max is one of the most powerful mini PCs available right now. It's a great option if you need serious power in a small form factor, especially for work, AI projects, or multitasking. It's not a full gaming PC, but it's close to a high-end laptop in desktop form. Number 2. Geekom GT1 Mega AI Mini PC. The Geekom GT1 Mega instantly sets the tone with the high-quality metal exterior, with its row of USB Type-A ports across the front and a host of connection options across the rear, highlighting that this is something a little different. Inside is the latest 14th Gen Intel Ultra processor, which provides impressive performance in such a compact machine. The new processor, which in our review sample is the U9-185H option, with the U7-155H also available, enables close integration with AI-enabled features. These work with the Intel NPU, which has the effect of significantly accelerating tasks like AI computation and video rendering, which in real-world terms is an invisible feature that you only witness through the speed of the processing. There are other hints of this small machine's power beyond editing 4K footage in DaVinci Resolve, which it handles as if it's a machine many times its own size, and the smooth running of high-impact games. Connecting up 2 4K displays is well within its abilities, with an option to support up to 4 4K monitors or 1 8K through the 2 HDMI ports and USB 4. Sure enough, for video editing and 3D work, the Geekom plows through the processing without issue, and checking all Microsoft Office apps just doesn't pose any type of stress on the system. While all this power and speed are impressive at such a small size, it is worth noting that the fans will kick in early. There's a lot of cooling to be done, so if you like silence, while not loud, that fan whir is apparent. Number 3. Geekom G1 RTX 4060 Mini PC. The Mega Mini G1 boasts a compact chassis with a volume of only 5.74 liters, featuring a stylish metal exterior, transparent side panel, and charming RGB lighting. It is equipped with a mini display screen for real-time monitoring of CPU, GPU load, and chassis temperature. Undoubtedly, the Mega Mini G1 stands out as a sci-fi masterpiece in the realm of gaming PCs. Despite its compact size, the Mega Mini G1 incorporates Geekom's advanced water cooling system, operating silently at below 26 dB for optimal temperature management without noise. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 graphics card in the Mega Mini G1 features 8GB VRAM and 3072 CUDA cores, delivering immersive gaming experiences and accelerating AI tasks. It supports DLSS 3, Deep Learning Supersampling, using AI to boost frame rates and enhance image quality in real time, ensuring smooth gameplay and crisp visuals. Ideal for AAA gaming, video editing, and 3D modeling, the RTX 4060 maximizes performance and visual fidelity. The Mega Mini G1 features the Intel i9-13900H processor with 14 cores and up to 5.40 GHz max frequency, delivering exceptional processing power. It is paired with 32 GB of DDR5 dual-channel memory and a blazing fast 2 TB NVMe SSD, ensuring seamless multitasking and swift data access for demanding applications. Whether for gaming, video editing, content creation, or intensive computing tasks, the Mega Mini G1 offers uncompromising storage and performance. Number 4. Geekom A8 Max Mini PC. The Geekom A8 Max is a high-performance mini PC featuring the efficient AMD Ryzen 7 8845HS and integrated Radeon 780M graphics. With 32 GB of RAM and a 1 TB SSD, it provides a solid foundation for demanding applications. Its wide range of external ports goes beyond what most other mini PCs offer. However, the larger case design and absence of an OCU-Link connection are drawbacks compared to models like the Mini Sforum Elite Mini 890 Mauritanian Ugias Pro. Build quality is excellent, and the A8 Max stands out from many competitors with its sleek, premium appearance. The Geekom A8 Max is available directly from the manufacturer for €849. Using the code NBC8MAX25 reduces the price by 15%, bringing it down to approximately €720. The mini PC is also listed on Amazon for €849, where the same 15% discount code, NBC8MAX25, can be applied. The Geekom A8 Max is one of the brand's latest mini PCs and is built around AMD's Hawk-Point HS platform, featuring an 8-core, 16-thread processor. Buyers can choose between the AMD Ryzen 7 8845HS and the Ryzen 9 8945HS, which are technically identical aside from minor differences in clock speeds. From a value perspective, the Ryzen 7 version is the more appealing option, currently priced at €899. The A8 Max not only competes with models from rivals like Mini Sforum and Ace Magic, but also faces internal competition from Geekom's own lineup of high-performance mini PCs. Number 5. Blackview MP100 Mini PC. If you're in the market for a sleek, high-performance mini PC that punches well above its weight, the Blackview MP100 is a standout choice. With a 3-year warranty backing it up, this tiny powerhouse is ready for anything from productivity to entertainment. At the heart of the MP100 is the AMD Ryzen 7 7430U processor, which is roughly on par with the Ryzen 7 5850U in terms of raw performance. Thanks to its 8 cores and 16 threads, multitasking is smooth and snappy, whether you're running multiple applications, editing media, or coding. One of the MP100's most impressive features is its support for triple display outputs with 4K at 144Hz capability.